I give Rusty a, I give him a 16, negative 16. Man, he know how to do it. See, he stopped himself from getting negative. Oh!
This is the drive shaft, isn't it?
Come on. Got one touch, y'all. Oh! Oh, but you can get out of there. You can get out of there. The other dude did. Mr. Recovery. Damn. Not Rusty, though. Oh shit. Okay. Rusty with the what? He got a 9 negative something.
+2.
Oh, he got a plus?
+2.
Dang, that's his first. Ooh. He still won the best though.
Ready? Watch out, Blake. Maybe so, maybe so.
The shakedown is over. Oh snap, that little battery done went dead. Now I need to charge this one. Right here. I got everything going there.
I don't see you. Like a maybe. Oh wow. Already started off like that, huh?
My stuff had got all the way down to 6%, y'all. I just put it on the other charger.
Hold me close. Oh, now you're moving forward. I got everything but a C.
Everything but a C?
Right, these ones aren't C.
Nah, I probably got some. I'm gonna go look in the.
Well, old stream?
Nah, cause I ain't got none. Shit, one of them just gonna go dead. I'm waiting on it to die. Just gamble. The phone gonna be alright. I just went and got my big charge. They got wireless charger and everything on it.
Okay. Working out
Look
good
at
so
that.
far?
Yeah, look at all them out there.
That's
Even got the
good.
plug in, the
Yeah.
wall plug. I'm ready. I just got it. I like it.
I'll be watching all your drag racing streams.
You do? You be on there?
Yeah,
I thought you was gonna get a car. I thought you was gonna get a car. I figured you would be good in the 7.0 class. Put you. I guess you need something like a Tesla or something. Oh man, he didn't.
I got a Malibu that they want to.
Oh, that was a good save. How you did that though?
Yeah, that was Cody. Nice trying.
Okay, Cody coming in on the 1s and 2s, y'all. I think he got one of the other best cars. It's quiet. It got some good wheels and tires on it with the bead locks. They got a good suspension on it, I think, too.
in the hole, huh?
I just need the USB cord.
I watched everybody
that fell in that hole, man.
You have to leave the right time.
reverse.
Oh, come on. Ooh, baby,
Can he
please.
touch the car? Does he have the point?
You can touch.
He gonna have to
Don't
touch.
break it. Don't break it, Cody.
Ooh, he did it. Golly, that's what I'm talking about.
Reverse.
MacGyvered it out.
Cody got some skills. Ooh.
And he cutting it tight.
So hard to say, he got a monster steering angle. Yeah.
Almost stuck it in the hole.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Come on, baby.
Was it a big enough circle?
Ah, that wasn't a big enough circle.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, it was. He got that monster
And then he
steering.
flipped off again. Do it again. Do it again. Do another circle. Oh, he just took the reverse. The reason he's doing that circle is so he doesn't have to take the 1 point penalty to back up.
Yeah.
Just take that extra time.
Yeah.
Man, they don't want to get up there.
It sure don't reverse.
He's getting it all dusty for everybody.
Wow.
They say Cody just elevated. This not even his final form yet.
Reverse. There we go. That's what I was trying to do.
Woo, now you got your tires all dirty. Losing traction.
He making it get up there though. Come on, baby, get over there. Alrighty, guys, we got Cody making progress with the orange V-locks. Oh!
Reverse with the gate.
Golly.
I fell apart.
What'd he get?
Let the pressure get
4 minutes, 11 seconds.
That's horrible. That's trash, but I had fun.
Positive 17.
Well,
I had fun though. That's all that counts.
that's all
Yeah,
that
that's
counts.
all that ever counts. Right?
We do know you got some skills, though. That don't
I
matter.
just got to be consistent.
Yeah, man.
That's what it. I come out here to practice all the time, and
They said that's a tough course, man.
It is.
you know,
You don't need nobody. Who next?
I'm done with you. Drive it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who next?
And drive it more after that.
Who next, Gavin?
Charlie.
Oh, Charlie.
Go.